How to use free credit on TEMU. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for TEMU.com. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner, and in the drop-down that appears, tap on the credit balance option. You will now be able to view your credit balance, browse through TEMU's offerings, and add desired items to your cart. When ready, go to your cart and initiate the checkout process. During payment, select the option to use your available TEMU credit. The credit will be deducted from your total purchase amount. Make sure to be mindful of any expiration dates associated with your credit to ensure timely usage. So, this is how you can use free credit on TEMU. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.